China pledged $50 billion in credit lines and investment for Africa over the next 3 years. This marks a decrease from previous years, reflecting China's changing approach due to domestic economic challenges and rising debt risks in African nations. One of the standout announcements from the summit was China's plan to launch 30 clean energy projects in Africa, underscoring a growing emphasis on renewable energy. Despite optimism around China's continued engagement with Africa, the lack of firm commitment on debt relief remains a concern for many African nations struggling with repayments.
The African debt problems did not appear because of Chinese cooperation. They are old problems that always existed in the African context. And of course, China, as a country that cooperates with Africa, will, I'm absolutely sure, have a very positive attitude in this regard.
Chinese creditors, like all of these other commercial creditors, want their debts to be repaid. And Chinese creditors also face additional financial challenges at home that mean that they will also be constrained in the level of debt relief or concessions that they can give to overseas borrowers.
Private sector investments also play a pivotal role in Africa's development. Companies like DP World have invested extensively across the continent, committing billions of dollars to ports and logistic infrastructure. However, experts highlighted the challenges of doing business in certain African countries, with Djibouti being cited as an example where a disregard for international law and business norms has disrupted operations. The 2023 FOCAC Summit saw a reduced pledge from China but reinforced its focus on sustainable investments, with debt management challenges remaining.